Hi everyone, in this video I want to talk about top 5 freelancing jobs in 2022. So what are that jobs, how we can earn money by doing freelancing, everything will explain in this video. Let's watch this video till the end. First one, which is web designer or web developer. Every business needs a website. A good web designers are in high demand always. Web designers work with companies and also individuals to plan out, design and code websites for all kind of industries. If you have some experience in web designing and web development, just go ahead and apply for freelancing jobs to design a website. Second one, which is graphic designer. Graphic design is a solid marketable skill. It applies to many different business applications like including marketing, advertising, reports, catalogs, brochures, newsletters, business cards, websites, product packing, outdoors, and many more you can have. If you have a proficient knowledge in Photoshop and Illustrator, you can apply freelancing jobs related to graphic design, like making a business cards, they'll pay in dollars. For making a brochures, for making a posters, they'll pay a lot of money. So as a freelancer, graphic designer is also one of the most best job to apply and to earn lot of money. Third one, which is teacher or trainer. Personally, I love giving trainings. So actually, if you have a good programming skills, like you, and also if you have a good communication skills, you can apply for a programming trainer like C, Java, Python. You can teach any type of programming languages to the students and to anyone you can teach. And also if you have a good communication skills, you can go for have a communication English teacher, you can. And also they'll pay for each hour, they'll pay for a day also. So it is a very passive income, we can say, as a teacher, because if you have a good teaching skills, this is the best freelancing job, I can say that. Fourth one, which is a editor. Editing is a pretty good freelancing gig, I can say that. If you have an excellent command in to edit the videos, to edit the book magazines, to edit the publications, if you have a good experience in video editing skills, this editor is the best job. Actually, in market, everyone, many members are doing videos in YouTube, in online trainings, and they are doing tutorials, right? But uh, no one can edit all the videos. They'll hire the editors for 2 hours, for 3 hours, they'll pay for that. And also, like for this 20 videos, if you edit and give, they'll pay for that 20 videos. So editing is the best skill, I can say that. So how we can acquire this skill is just we need to learn editing skills. That for we have editors, actually we have to learn that how we can edit the videos and all. So I think this is the best, editing is the best one of the freelancing job, I can say that. The only thing is you should have a creative things. Last one, which is content creator. Content is king, especially in social media. Digital content comes in many forms like blogs, brochures, newsletters, magazines, videos, social media posts, email campaigns, etc. But not every company has staff to create a content on their product, right? So as a freelance content creator, you'll work with their product, like you can create a content on their product and their service, and you can expose them in outside. So content creator must have like, if you have a skill in creating scripts, and if you have good writing skills, it would be really helpful to them to explore their products more in outside. These are all 5 best freelancing jobs, I can see that. If you have knowledge on web designing or graphic designer, like teacher, editor, content creator, what's your knowledge, what's your skill, what's your interest, based on that you can apply and you can earn a lot of money. It's all about your interest, it's all about your skill, it's all about money. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with the new videos and new tutorials for you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and give a like and share, and also just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to your comments. Thank you for watching.